Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. And here in capture settings category at the second position we have assistive grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to the preview, we have these lines now. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so let me take a picture now. To see it we have to go to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. As you can see, we don't have any grid lines at the picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them we have to move back to right corner settings and tap to assistive grid in capture category. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.